Today, me and my dad together are going to draw. I think it's a surprise because I think I forgot or I don't know, I think. So let's start and figure out. Okay, draw a line. And then from here, draw a curve. And here, draw another. Oops. I'm like, what? Like one here, like this. Next, from here, draw a straight line and then curve it right there. Next here, draw a curved line and curve it from there. And then connect it right up there. I think my card's too big. And then here, draw a line. Oopsies, I accidentally said what we're drawing. And here, draw a line. And here, draw another line. And here, from here, connect it. And here, just straight line and then connect it like this way. Now here, draw a rectangle. It kind of looks like a square. Now here, draw a line. And draw some lines above here. I was thinking this was the sun, but it's not because it has like two of it, like suns. It's not the sun. Then here, draw two lines. And then here, draw a line and another line. Brown. And here, draw the same thing. A U shape and then another. Okay, I guess it's the part to color. Wait. And then I'm finally coloring. I'm going to draw a little cloud here. I'm going to use all the space here, there, and we can color. I have an idea. I have a black car and a white car. So I don't have white here, so I'll color the black car in here. The black car is bigger than the smaller car. The smaller one is white. Well, actually, I can go in the wheels too if I like. Because wheels are also black. I was almost going to say brown. I meant black. I wonder what color will color this. Good idea. I'll also color it yellow. Need my blue. The windows. I'll just color the sun and I'll think of a color for the cloud. I think I got one. Catch my black and color it really light for the gray. There, doesn't that look gray enough? My dad's car is like in the road and then he's like, and my car's like, wow! He's jumping in the sky. I bet I'll get my marker and draw some blackbirds underneath the car, flying through really quick. Oh no, look at this one. This one looks like it's mad. This one looks like... I'm going to make a really good bird so it looks happy. Okay, let me make another. Oh, good idea. I'll do the same thing. I'll make the road. The road is black. So I'll color beneath black. Wow. Oh, I feel wiggly. Okay, you can add background if you like. So, can I tell you a special thing? I'll tell you, this is a riddle. So, it can help. You can have this. It has it on you. I have it on my face. And it's like every year, or you get it sometimes. You get it sometimes. Not every time. But I bet you have to be 5 or 6 because I got it out when I was 5 or 6. So what is it? I'll give you like 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Or I'll just wait till you can figure it out. Okay, should I tell you what it is? I lost my tooth. That's the riddle. Bye now.